Hello everyone, and welcome back to another quick tutorial from RR Consultancy Services, where we simplify everyday digital tasks for students. In this video, we're going to show you how to find and replace text in Microsoft Word, a powerful feature to save time when editing large documents. Let's get started. First, open your Word document. Now, on the top ribbon, go to the Home tab and look to the far right. Click on Replace, or press Ctrl+H on your keyboard for the shortcut. A small box will appear. In the Find What field, type the word or phrase you want to locate. Then, in the Replace With field, type the word you want to use instead. Let's say in here, I want to change all the and with ampersand. So, in the Find What tab, we place and in the Replace With tab, we place ampersand. Now click on Replace to change one instance at a time, or Replace All to update every occurrence in one click. And that's it. Fast, simple, and super useful. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to RR Consultancy Services